Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're going to be removing and cleaning the mass airflow meter. And so it's the same process on most cars, and we're going to be using this mass airflow meter cleaner, and I'll put a link to where you can get this in the video description, or it's usually at any auto parts store. Anyway, what we're going to do is follow the air intake until we find our mass airflow meter. And so this is what they look like, and they're going to be right after the air filter. So as you can see on this one, there's a little nub in the middle of the head of that screw. And so what you want to get is a tamper-proof or security bit kit like this. And what you notice is there's a hole in the nose of these Torx bits. So make sure you do use a Torx, and Allen would strip it because it's not enough teeth. Okay, and so make sure it has that hole in the nose of it so that it can go all the way in. And so we're going to go ahead and remove these two screws. There's one on each side. And if you want to first, it's nice just to push down and unplug it so you have a little more room. And I took a 1/4-inch drive ratchet here, a ratcheting wrench, and put it on the end of this drill driver just so that I had the bit that was working. Or you could just use a screwdriver or whatever you need. But just remove those two screws, and then you're going to be able to pull the whole mass airflow meter out. And so this is what it looks like, and what we're doing is cleaning these little lines in here. You can see them. A lot of times they get dust and everything being right after the air filter, and that's what reads how much air is flowing through the engine. So we went ahead and just sprayed these out with that cleaner. I even blew into it a little bit too. But just make sure that those are nice and clean. And we're going to put this back in the same way. In this case, it had this box pointed towards the front. So just remember which way you take it out. And we're going to go ahead and put in our two screws back here. And so that will tighten this back down. Some of the symptoms, your car might be hesitating under open throttle as you're accelerating. It might go into limp mode. So there's a few things that can let you know that you have a dirty or bad mass airflow meter. Next, we're going to go ahead and plug this back in. And if you want to disconnect the battery for a few minutes to reset the codes, that's a good idea too. Just do it on the negative terminal. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe. Please check out my playlist on other videos. I'll put those in the video description. And as always, thanks for watching.